The most important thing at Deep Prep is that every single child feels loved, safe, and secure when they are at school. Everyone from our principals to our teachers to even our housekeeping staff view the children as their own children. At Deep Prep, it is our goal to really develop the whole child so that they are growing in a very balanced way. They are happy, they are curious, they are confident, but yet they also are very successful in academics and learning as well.
Here at Deep Prep, we strongly believe that children are capable, they're full of wonder and imagination. This is why we created this room, the Light Studio. They're able to come here and extend their projects and build on their skills and team building and work together and collaborate. And this is why we are Reggio inspired at Deep Prep.
And that is why we offer so many opportunities for them to explore, to discover, and to ask a lot of questions, because that is how children will discover their own power as a learner. We take care of every single detail, from the food that they eat to make sure that it's healthy, it's delicious, from the way that we take care of the safety in the classrooms with air purifiers, ensuring that they are in a completely safe and healthy environment. At our school, every child is a somebody, and that is how they will gain the confidence to learn, to be themselves, and to really grow to their full potential.